Bushia Memo Aquaba, Ediba, Eddie My Network, so My Network, we are more than TV, said the Bia Canono, and I'm sure Sanso Eshiabu. Now, and then she wanted the Yababe Chichen Comocasiapa, Ma Menfa Quenya Wisona, Mema, Ubibiara, Washame, Na Utieme, Menchiao, our radio, so the Monamimo Aquaba, so I'm ready media, so inside Ghana. Jumedi so any one of Anopai, Mosumfo, Reverend Godfrey, Donko, Anna Midosia, now Sofa Chief, Anna Midosia. Anopai, your message, one subscribe, mammy, and Sadan say, your videos on watch, I am my likes on, I like it, now commented, foul comments, back comment session, now I feel so, I am no share your money probably. Yes, yeah, it would media, so then, Mamento, you be a first and near to no evangel. There is a fire on the mountain, run, 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 there is a fire on the mountain. Run, run, run. What was the matters arguing with? Nature say, Asem Cassis Wagana, ye bed discussing. Asemwa, a war mining one, a tea, ne won't a go mining one go for come once no, and only ever come once. Some atomic wadia, nature as Asem Cassio, that's one son. Mammy Chapman, Emrasi, Maka Crabby, now my brother, my bigger for better Nasi, now you didn't go. Mr. One subscribe, unlike here, I like videos, you know, na share comments, you know, now yen share in Nico, trying to make a crabby member, made from a bigger for
business. We are not going to give any ultimatum to this. Yenka 1 week, 1 month, Sembiano 1 year. No. But until the IGP produce a report who killed JB Dankwa and Ahmed Swali, we want to know. Yes, on this show. Yapesi and yes, show is on for reporting me. Yapesi ora IGP Dampare come out and do a press conference. Now first I report to that. Yes. And I'm going to say this, Mr. Dampare, there is a pressure on your office. There are some persons more pressure say, defied authority. Yes. Hey, when we are members of the NPPR, bring it out. When we are members of the NDC, bring it out. Mr. Dampare, before then you go down in history. You need to create this remark.
All right, but as I said, okay, make travel kakra ebai. Said the medical cano, and I international yet the medical here. The can't to be man said there is a fire on the mountain. I had it in Amikasa. And Che Anna Ghana, you have been a new IGP. Now, IGP, I have been no Mr. Dampare. A baby a job best in few watch a colonial now, or not yet regional commander. Ewo Ghana anase Accra na ebra na oteso ensem BCC ensem base bienu up to now yente wasem be fie enwotwe ene nkono eba enumuni no yente wasem de edi kan honorable JB Dankwa ni wuo wasem ye nyamu no ne pomasi bere ena abrantie nso ana one Anas Aremen yaw Anas enamo a ono so ye frɛ no Ahmed Swali ono so ni wuo mu asɛm no emfie be numuni ye nhye dan wo ne pomasi bere eno na kwaku anan a owo na tu etena se enano ewo di program so anase ni show so no was starting say osuja kese e de egu IGP Mr. Dampare so se de Ghana fo nyedi bio ye nyina ye be sorry na ono so sorry na ye hunu resource ewo ye papa honorable Nyankopon fa de kra ensie JB Dankwa ni wo ni ye hunu mu na afen so Ahmed Swali ono so bi okunu no ye hunu ewuo no wo ma wo di sa nyamara nsem no ye hu wo mase no nti na tu kokona e dia tu dwa se said ye tie biara ewo se IGP eba abontene because abere no na ono na ye regional commander ewo Accra ha na si a wabe IGP eno na yesi nkonya na abegafo abeka mensa no me ne wo mo edi ho enkomo enti ma me mama abegafo no akwaba na afi yenhye enkomo twetwe no ase na yenhwe asem no pomasi bere na eja no e ba cho me mama akwaba na me ba cho mo ho ye de
so for me adu mo na
Radia sepa ya de Radia se wode mo be bra so ndie mo so kamia se sisi Ghana ba be ye de pa ejabi astate so mpanifo nso se emusie bia no beba ejade ne yɛni aseɛ na ansa na no mame enda mabedwafo adi fa kyerɛ me nifa so ɛyɛ Mr. Ajiman sɛ wa wani tua on dey amon din kora so ho so ho ne shees na ho dressing ne watch ne sɛ dia na kyerɛ sɛ Mr. Ajiman ɛna ɛwɔ me nifa so ana me benkum so ɛyɛ ɔsɔfo Dankwa ɔde ɔsɛ di ayɛ van friend ade sɔfo Dankwa ayɛ na me prefer Reverend Dankwa edi yie no papa me san so mama kwa ba bio ayɛfo nso mama kwa ba ɛnɛ asɛm a yɛsɔre ya bɛtɔ dwa ne sɛ na tufoɔ program a na ɔmo yɛ kwaku anan a na ɔyɛ host ɛwɔ program nim no akasa na nsɛm a ɔka nyinaa ne sɛ sɛdeɛ yɛdi nkan no bɔɔ so no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ papa JB Dankwa ne wuo ɛne Ahmed Swali ne ɔmo wuo no ɛho resource ɛba because yɛnkyee ho asɛm biara na ɛno na ɛnɛ yɛsi nkonnwa ne yɛabɛ sɛ Ghana nsɛm sei no aya na sɛn anateɛ sɛ obi wu a ɛba ɛyɛ Brazil kuwa ebedu baabi na ano adwo deɛ kwaku anan ɛbɛyɛ papa ɛde resource ɛbɛba na mame hyɛaseɛ ɛmfɛmfiri sɔfo Dankwa ɛso.
Alright, sɔfo mame nase na menkyia yɛahwɛfoɔ ne yɛadɔfoɔ a excuse me ɔmo dɔ yɛ ma ne borɔ so na ɔmo gye brɛhwɛ yi programs man ɛyɛ bibi man network adɔfoɔ nyinaa afei nso ma menkyia yɛwura IGP na menkyia Ghana Police Service na menkyia mpanimfoɔ a ɔmo ka bi a ebi ɛwɔ mu na yɛmfa ya konsem emfa ma yem papa JB Dankwa edu na oye Ebuakwa North MP minimum no eyeball to eyeball minimum physically because I think the year 2008 2009 up to 2010 yeah koye juma bi was last me catch us na me Jake Boy na just almost my constituency na me in charge of Eastern region. I'm a coordinator from constituencies to the office of the MPP headquarters. In the message, the other grounds, I mean, and I may receive a message from grounds to the headquarters. In the personally, the four grounds of the MP. Na asamna yewura kwaku anan eka no ono so mami chia no em se obadwuma onyere ne ho onye adwuma den emfa mo Ghana asamna oka no eye ne kwan so na ne kwan so no mami fa de say se Ghana say you will blame big ebe blame nkrofo about some certain situations ya de blame no ne fa kase no ebe ma eye ensenchero adwuma e wo Ghana ha no a eye Abiviman network mo ka ho nyenti amoka won se mo ba ye nche but ya se baby akro ese baby asa so what ya se na ya no funtum we ni wuo ya esan matachene asem si wo Ghana we all expect the media so omo be kan asem and lo and behold omo gino omo timi kan but omo kama na buru so ye 1 week no ma jai omo nka bi but to me what I think say I was say omo ye na ema adwuma no ewie mu die na adwuma no etimi konkan na yinya emfaso edi free o ma adwuma ye mu no say asem ni di 10,000 years na result a final result and certified result no enyama ya we don't have to sleep on it we have to keep on hammering on it yam boss so because empany force baby enya tonfo no na your body kan so what you say it was a journalist for asem ni wukura na se yenya result ni e was munya ni asem no na ye ka asem no na ye would the end point of it answer na nipa akoma ebeto ne yam so what you say it is central for M1 wasem abagana ya kabro so amana ye tentem pa ye 1 week 7 days asa 7 days this year assemble set here bia ya bare no ya sielo awie asa wonti ba bia bia o better be ni fa nwenu mi 7 days na ba bi de bon come finish but that is not how it's supposed to be somebody say I was assembly ba ye timi nya journalist fo bia o mo be yo mo etomo ate no ba kama na kodru pepe so bia ma Ghana fo nyina huru nya etwiem and no ana na ye nya brante ye Ahmed Swali eno mo eye no o mo timi degi asam no from grand to crank am who asam baby e sha sefri ni baby kokko wie but encrophobic susu say na Ahmed Swali how or ye track at the mouth it is sanity don be eliminate no eno mukuma branch ne ya omo kumene so that times no na ayaya papa IGP out so Eyura Dampare he was in command no ye regional commander ya papa JB Dankwa we no ye regional commander There was this lady who was working with Ecobank. Abukum no hacho. And also Sankrofo was stabbing just like that. Yeah, Muchi, Yantishi, Fennec actually, a Yakase, the manager. Honestly, Yakokun, you want to sick out with them. Muchi have a sinner. In Tiakamia, I Ghana, so we have mistake, and now we change our no will be actually to the boat pole, or be just like I do war on fit, and I will go to the no war asa. There won't be any justice for you. And this is the time. And that reminds me, say your current president, before all Babepe Akunyene Dino, he said in a statement that all Ghanaians must be as citizens. And we must play a role as citizens, not spectators. And this is the time and the hour has come for each and every Ghanaian to be on his or her feet and make sure that we voice out. And someone young Kasa, this time, in Penifaso Pamo Humfua, who took the Bema, and our Kraman, a woman the Dianitiano, or Pamon, not quite Permanent Paya or Danin and Eshow, now Sassia, a pole, and the Abena do. And they said, you the IGP. Now they can show you say. So person Ghana for you Muchidi. Now you're trusting to that extent so Juma no bet me a year. On my peri equality and yet Juma. Kofiba send your bet treat no treat Kwabrasa. I fear ba send your bet treat in Amaba on treating this. Monya Katasum Wasubia. On yet Juma the French na you. Now you're passing the era. Abra Oye commander, regional commander. And you come a year JP Gankwadia on the resort because I tell far about 8 years or 7 years into some be a person with my area. A resort in Emra, Omufa Paso, Omusan Mr. Womadia, no, be a chef for home, only a chair because I'm very first when it's your Yeniao. When it's your Yeniao, almost Sani Musa Womadia, Nayamunu, the Pier. Papa Ansana, Meko Mr. Jimason, now Cassa. Who blames the presenters are a Ghana. Now, you sorry, as someone as you saw, someone to me actually impossible. And I become a swally as someone, now one of the audio as a muquachida, a man, you come on. When you sure said, Sir, or won't tell any Sabio, say, Woody as a much young before we left flower mouse canty, and I'm a presenter into me no much, and San Marco Mr. Jimas. If you understand, you go so he died as a hero. He died whilst he was working for the country. And he said, what the woman dear, what the woman a better. I know, say your mamma, so be baby dear, no Osaya, a young cousin will share your one a yadia. So what the woman toward your man, dear, my papa, and what's I will shake the income and you have to die as a hero for your country. Oh, yeah, Juma, their poor my Ghana, a young mine. Midabia Meka, or Meka say, Ghana situation, you won't, or ye Bupro, and the Basabasayan, say, Basse, over the main qua, and the bar for them, my Ghana. I'm a Ghana, a Yakrabeshe, Nano Paridia, system, the Beja Jumapa, making me a sacrifice and the Amame, my Ghana, because it's my country and it's my nation, and I am doing it for the generations that will come after us. And that's not me ding a bed down, me ding a bed down. But see what Jana Yana Nano, a prinya de two or my empty, a 2 years so. Say Yana Nano and sacrifice it among and from Moja and Joshua and give Yameno Yentia and Kayenio Maya friend Ghana and Kayenia Sundene, but so be I here. Nayasu Yababe Druso, not a 3 years so. I was a year so, you live exemplary life and the man in Chile, but no so say, yes, no so baby that was. Okay, Papa Meda say, let's say, so your presenter, I was so very, very careful. Say, what's for us a more on to me and our presenters are Mojis Canamo come on to me. So, your best say, mobile movie, Papa, maybe also Mr. Jiman. They say, why are you ready to fire this? Kokwana Samoa, what dear PA, you bring up resource.
You know, your copas, Yendi in Chakasi, Emma, a tear for motion in Elviase, Afadena, or young Gobon Asian Pico, or young Gobon Asian Pico, among Patentina, and the Abia Moyanosu, and Ye. And near Gugana and the Abatano, a Yasembia, a Yansambiki, the Yansampolo, the Yansembia, a Modu, we are saying, Gugana, Wabojuma, abodima pa na asam ode abeto no eyase bia eyase fem esa so eya ya begira sa akonya weso ama je bi dankwa ene amesole ebusuafo nyina yakọ ene shakere enye easy to become a breadwinner our family and na ewiase ne eya ne say onimpa otumi eyi adwuma egba adwuma so wo a eya na eya because when you enebeba na we betumi abehwe inchima na ebusua no ohwe je bi dankwa abrabo a na ohwe nimpa bebre osaso bia enwo bebre ende only ya kan sign ana ya kan sign one no betumi astane the shoe na we tumi ayese no na ameswale ono soso na asam ya kan sign na one no betumi ayese na ono tumi ade eya entini ya betumi akasisi ane say a lack of trust and a lack of faith and a lack of away or design faith ewo nimpa mu enimtina enimpa ekunkum aba the nation Ghana and at the opposite side no the lack of say onimpa eni ambre nimpa ni ambre for sika any position any deed until adie bi obeye se no obetumi ekum ni nia no eno no obeye but empeyfo se yedo yenwa yenye yewachinie and yeshe biblical perspective if we live together then we can live the nation Ghana up sa yetnase na yekunkum ye ho na yedi into trasam ene wukasam ene nia keka ho a oman no enkofo metumi abo oman metumi ayi peja ayabugurija sango fo yina yekuma why and the sisi metumi ama Ghana etumi ade ayeyi enti ye hwe se ekunkum no ye bejai a state of peace is not absence of killing somebody and yasa sa ya pese yedna so bidia and the yenya nimpa ekunkum because yenya nimpa ekunkum e mama my Ghana there asay e mo my Ghana no ayebasa yemfa transparency honest and freedom and justice send ya ngasi ajoro no police ni biara o Ghana ha no oni say ni slogan e freedom and justice police ni biara so Ghana bio ono angasa na tare ni achoro de integrity and what service and integrity ni achoro it is a one person one year integrity and one year service abua asam na one person watare na e show no e jajo dada ansa na uyanko grinding after the safra because and no and the actual watare integrity and service enti police ni biara and the security man bia and obi biara we team man fo biara fa to one bi say you are here to bring integrity and also for the service of the mankind, not to kill for money, for position, for fame, for power. So we are to in there so we give you benefit and now we need benefit I was empty and so we could be power. And no and solve your problem and no and began Ghana and no and development ever. So papa I have be down go to the anka enyuma all go be go be bebre abadi bebre e edwuma ya age e no no way why no go be say man man dey edwuma ye o man so be ko so e edwuma na o ma o mu kuno kura na ano so bi no kunu a sa ni mpa no o metumi edwie masaki okay abadi mpa wato Mr. Ajima medawase it seems that the producer ama me science bebre e yaso ma men ko papa so ansa na maje obia last word so for damba me ba jo me pese me bisa se ko nan issue wa raise e betumi di ja egoye papa dampa reso ama ye mo resource e wo asemi mu ana enko ye se first de na bi ansa na yaje obia last word no question am pese me bisa
there is a common English phrase say majority carries the vote. So if you stand for the truth or if you stand for something particular, na say enkofododo ebetawechi say nya wo ye na eye eho hia de mfaso beba nti ye bo wechiri tom am watumi aye ade preko a why not? So what I say, and the police must also believe in themselves for us to trust them. Omadwuma ye enye fe enhwani na amatemam for ne nti wo mondi yemfa ye were enhye wo mu hwe mame ka no krancho opa monfa camera na motisi street so mon ko marketplaces na mo misa nipa 5 bia mo so say send ho Ghana police emu 4 ebe ka to say swea emu 4 ebe ka to say swea o police for the jail 4 I can bet you opa monfa camera NC street ni so say ya mon ko marketplaces mon ko ba bia nipa edo so na mo so say Ghana police o mo hu say me see emu 9 nyensa ko si 9 ebe ka to say swea and that's all police for the window. If he said, you were incident the brain SCC, over to produce a resort. I hear pet. Yes, the case of police in the Ebemus as president and say, go because to come a mobile phone. Actually, Sika, but we are seeing of evidence, evidence, don't you? For example, Yansha JB Dangwa, honorable, the late 8 honor. Says it don't I just was a me and your bomb me pass and go one. It's very influential and I feel watching. There na muntimi musa brand and my name of din entrance as semesi or painting and a suma me say me fast kind and go wash messy. Na sa wa body no so dia kire one. Then the simple point say enfie watching and enfie soon you know. Muntimi ma bonte me kan kire yen se Ghana fuwe. Papa no wo wu yen sexy don no ko di enyamara nsem no. Akwafu ya okwache sika duku mo ni papa pati se JB Dankwa no. O say asemesi ni painting and suma omo ma misika say omo no suma minti no omo dini. Then they see omo kwan. Now with all this you know, are you expecting me to trust you? I can't trust you. They say yes ba ananyame ba o se obe ka kire 1 year wadi mara no so and 1 year wo bo wo modin ye adwuma ma ne so urade ani se mo akwapa no kwafo se wadi kakire yi mu adanse panti eye kakire yi o enti se ye de ba akwa ba no wanti mi anya how much mo se menya o mo rehye mu se me di ema enti ye urade pare minim se wa ye example e de amaye because na say ya papa o su bempa issue yi we share send your situation the quiet to on my command. And yet, she know, Ampa or Moromaso, Yadana, say, why, yeah, dear, was set example, Wamiena, Gideon, Sebubu, and Mr. Juman or Baby yet. And Nona, Yura, and I am Brapani, when I am who said, so what did you take this bold decision? And a bold step with here, not the rest, not a mere thing for you to do. And you know, on produce a result. And you got one idea, I don't do no yet campaign, and our Baba launches our campaigner on my encounter, on try a letter, and on my invitation. You never got contented because it's time. And I don't make a catch. There was this fine, beautiful lady, Anna, or yet Juma Echo Bank, not the heart to one baby, say, had to branch or baby. I'm one second coon, I did you know, Fanny Archer, Spinters Road, or no, I did them, I did you know, near one knife. You are Yakumo, Jimmy Dunker Yakumo, and I want you, I'm a swallow Yakumo, and then for this Archimota, I'm Robert Moto, so Angie will be 20,000 Ghana cities. A Bragana, I had the things about time for assassin. But in that Sankaya baby, a cabana as a son of a because they were riding a motorbike. Allah must go to across every police post. And will be able to understand.
Say, CCTV
cameras are moving in the Wasan community. But you just look at the number of years. Papa, you negotiate acid goodness, MPP chairman were not in region, and also servicing there, you won't end result of this. In the for how many years will it take them to bring a result to their investigations? There be a investigation, there be a investigation. I'm for a result of man, a better than to know for your Muchidi.
Papa Bedase, it seems a jana so hapa. Also for comments, for comment session, now Yankin kind. Also, dear, how we are can't Ghana because you are for money. Me naso because me producer, I'm a messiah, Breno, I have Nanka be beside a judge by question, but I think say you're better free. Not be person beside Ghana, I will see. but answer na no binim say bre na so die my main for bre no na afi for last advice and answer last words maye say organ ni a wodwene Ghana ho ye wi afi mako ye papa dan kwaso na ono so the last words am e dey last words no any say we futuo no wala won say boy twato
mesre Ghana ni bia ani wi asa for na yina say yadina say ewo absolutely peace and peace yadina say ewo asomdwe mu
okay
yetwe etene ewo asomdwe mu na betiu Macau allegation accusation and the fight and the contention among us ne yejai criticism among my to me and the retaliation obi ayo bibi na mo pesa wo mafia o ko asantemebu a obi yo bibi a so we ma bona to da e o ma bi no ma tete na sa me twenya ma ehuru ara me twa ma dwo no bia eni efiri so ade ma mafia ho yanga sa de no anya sa o ma Ghana entire de eyeyi edienga se ya be ko so a akoya te se nkala bi asabi omudi aro bi na ebrepura ene gugu no ebe de ebe koso enti yenjai se de bia no retaliation obi aye bi for so many years ago baby yenjai
said you Mr. Ajimai akano no yenjai retaliation na omani mu entumenyo baba so for them ko me ba so meje wano se mu apekato dia na o kan e wo program yi won a kokwa na dia pie na ofutu sem de ma ye police ya papa IGP NSA
kokwa na emso oye ne so ne dia that is what we are expecting all the journalists to do asem dia esi na yenya result na wase yetimi bo mu dawo na result eba result ne be ma yenya police fonu mu amodaso eni amhini tie sere papa IGP wa bay yenim side pressure than the office wo bebre and ankofo ehwe nim so be might expected him to do something until ma won disappointed number 1 mo disappointed Ghanaians ma won disappointed ankasa na ho ma won disappointed Ghana Police Service and the president or appointed IGP no Inspector General of Police no ma won disappointed so until who say asudie eda na so but you see bema ebe ye Mama be ni nyina to mo ne ho mode se na fam mode obetimi abon omo ansa na bere ne be so ye sina wesi fom
okay papa madam asena mama mo ni adwuma kasa mode ama Ghana for afa so wo a wo hwe me menim se wo comment beba in fact kwakwa na e de asem beba kwakwa na o de asem beba se de enwomo aba na nse e ka no kwakwa na so de asem beba because okoba bia o de asem foforo ba na ye hwe se program we ye benya results every one because ye ntumi ntina wo man ni mu ni emu wa bra ye hu wona wo kuye aposifo emma wo ho so na ye hu no eniema ekoso wo Ghana na ye ne ayetimo no ye wo ye wo bambo mosomfo sofo chief ena me di dwumadie ho chiame dwumadie eye inside Ghana fa comment bra mesra wo subscribe ma me no de nya me pa me sada me saye won share so share na afi so like na fra foforo say program bi koso e bi my network aba won medwe ye sounds be share bye bye.